Today, I'm going to be playing some more Sonic Rumble. Be sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. With that, let's get into it. Alright. Saw Sonic made a couple videos on this game. It's been a while since I played this game, to be fair. So here we go. Also, if you guys want to see more Sonic Rumble, I cannot speak. God damn it. Alright. Anyways, if you guys want to see, oh my god. If you guys want to see more of me, Shadow the Hedgehog, playing Sonic Rumble, be sure to, I cannot speak for shit today. Holy shit. Alright. So, if you guys want to see more of me, I cannot speak today. If you guys want to see more of me, Shadow the Hedgehog, playing Sonic Rumble, let me know in the comment section down below. Anyways. Oh shit. Alright, I qualified. Alright, I qualified. Alright, what's up next? Chemical plant survival. Oh. Don't they know who I am? I'm Dozebell Lifeform. I can survive anything. That was quick. So I qualified again. Lava Mountain Ring Battle. Alright, let's do this. I'm gonna try to catch this dub. Just gotta lock in. Move out of my way. Come here. Come here, Godzilla. Oh yes, first place. Damn it! Oh. Okay. Damn it. No, you're not. You're not getting off that easy. You think you just hit me and get away from it? Hell no. Well, I got third place, so I guess that's something. Alright. Well, I guess that's gonna be it for today's video. Be sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. With that, this is Shadow the Hedgehog, the Ultimate Life Form, signing out. See you later. Bye.